Welcome to our channel here at KLAPP Skincare USA. This space is dedicated to estheticians and professionals who want to learn more about the amazing world of KLAPP skincare. With over 42 years of experience in professional skincare for both retail and spa and salon treatments, we'll dive into all the quality ingredients behind our products and show you how to use our specialized treatments to bring out the best in your clients. Tune in with us weekly for in-depth learning on the science of KLAPP and how it can elevate your treatments and results. Today, let's dive into a topic every esthetician loves: how to keep clients coming back for more. The secret? Results, results, results. And KLAPP has just the thing to help you deliver. Our Ultimate Skincare Collection. This incredible line features 6 powerful serums, originally part of the alternative medical line, now rebranded with the same amazing ingredients, but a fresh new name. These serums are designed to target a wide range of skin needs, making them perfect for creating noticeable results your clients will love. I'll walk you through each serum, its benefits, and how to use it, whether as a standalone treatment or mixed with others for a completely customized experience. These serums are fully mixable, giving you endless ways to tailor treatments to your clients' unique concerns and bring out the very best in their skin. We'll also cover the most common skin concerns and my top recommendations for serum cocktails that deliver outstanding results. Let's dive in. Within these serums are specialized formulas that KLAPP has carefully crafted into their Ultimate Serum Collection. They're designed to deliver exceptional results for your client's skin. Let's talk a little bit about what you can find inside. First, we have Aquafill, an ingredient that tackles lines and wrinkles, minimizes pores, deeply hydrates, and strengthens the skin barrier for a smoother, more youthful look. Next is Dermacan, a KLAPP-exclusive innovation that stimulates collagen production, firms and tightens the skin, and fortifies the dermis layer, giving the skin a strong, lifted foundation. Then there's ChromaCare, a formula packed with healing plant extracts, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. It's ideal for reducing hyperpigmentation, tightening the skin, and boosting collagen synthesis. The oxygen complex is a combination of Phaex extract, glycogen, magnesium, ascorbyl phosphate, and mannitol to form oxygen depots. These stimulate cell metabolism, rejuvenating and energizing the skin for a healthy glow. Finally, we have Keratoline and cytokines, 2 enzymatic ingredients. Keratoline gently exfoliates dead skin cells with its ability to break down proteins into smaller polypeptides or amino acids, while cytokines provides an extra boost by promoting collagen and elastin synthesis, improving firmness and elasticity. Together, these cutting-edge formulas create a transformative skincare experience, no matter the skin type or concern. Now it's time to introduce you to the first serum in the Ultimate Skincare line, the Moisturizer Booster. This one's a lifesaver for dehydrated or rough skin. It's powered by key ingredients like Aquafill, Dermacan, and sodium PCA. The Dermacan helps firm the skin, while high and low molecular hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration. Sodium PCA acts as a natural wetting agent, helping to retain moisture and give the skin a firmer feel. With this serum, your complexion will look smoother, fresher, and more vibrant. It restores deep layer moisture to dry, dehydrated skin, eliminating that tight, uncomfortable feeling. Plus, it delivers long-lasting hydration while forming a protective film on the skin, offering both hydrating and firming benefits. It's perfect for bringing tired, thirsty skin back to life. Next in line, let me tell you about the Stem Cell Booster, an amazing serum packed with powerful ingredients. It features Aquafill and Dermacan, plus a standout ingredient, Malus domestica fruit cell culture extract. This ingredient is derived from Swiss green apple stem cells and is renowned for being one of the most effective anti-aging solutions out there. It protects DNA and stimulates your skin's own stem cell production, helping to maintain a youthful, resilient complexion. It also contains allantoin, which boosts skin renewal and promotes cell regeneration, making it perfect for revitalizing tired, aging skin. This serum is ideal for combating premature aging. and is a must-have for clients 40 plus who want to prevent further signs of aging and keep their skin looking fresh and youthful. Now, let's talk about the Collagen Booster Serum, ideal for clients with thinner, sagging skin. This serum includes Aquafil and Dermacan, both of which are great for reducing wrinkles and improving skin texture. It also contains water-soluble collagen, which allows for better absorption into the skin. Additionally, it has L-proline, hyaluronic acid, and sodium PCA. These ingredients work together to support collagen production, improve blood circulation, and strengthen connective tissue, resulting in a tightening effect while keeping the skin's moisture balance intact. It's a great option for deep activation, helping to firm, lift, and hydrate the skin. Now, the Skin Calming Serum. It's specifically formulated for sensitive skin and those prone to redness and irritation. This serum features the same Aquafil and Dermicon ingredients, along with dexpanthenol, which is known for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps support the skin's healing and regeneration process. Another key ingredient is CM-glucan, which helps protect the skin and supports wound repair, making this serum perfect for calming stressed, damaged skin. It's excellent for skin irritation relief, improving moisture retention, and boosting elasticity. The regenerative properties make it ideal for post-treatment care, such as after peels, laser, or microneedling. It's also great for clients with chronic redness, rosacea, or even those who've overused retinol. This serum helps soothe the skin and reduce overall skin stress. Let's talk about the Acne Serum, perfect for clients with skin impurities and those prone to acne, especially adult acne. It features Aquafil and Dermicon, along with Chromocare and niacinamide, which really sets this serum apart. Chromocare adds powerful anti-inflammatory benefits, while niacinamide helps control acne breakouts and reduces the appearance of dark spots and scarring. This serum is great for calming redness and swelling caused by acne, while also providing antioxidant protection. It controls sebum production to prevent future breakouts and works to minimize pores, leaving the skin with a smoother, more tightened look. It's an amazing choice for keeping acne-prone skin balanced and clear. This right here is the Tyrosinase Reduction Serum. It's perfect for targeting pigmentation and dark spots. Along with Aquafil and Dermacan for anti-aging benefits, this serum features a zinc glycine complex that works wonders. It helps decrease oxidative stress, reduces the overactivity of melanocytes, and inhibits tyrosinase activity, which all contribute to blocking overproduction of melanin in the skin, brightening the skin, and reducing abnormal pigmentation. This serum is especially great for clearing up dark spots caused by acne and improving overall skin tone. It's an excellent choice for clients dealing with pigmentation issues or post-acne discoloration. Here we have the Anti-Wrinkle Serum. This is a fantastic option for our more mature clients. This serum contains Aquafil and is packed with higher concentrations of Dermacan, which help improve skin firmness and collagen synthesis, making the skin appear tighter and more lifted. It also contains sodium PCA, which boosts the skin's ability to bind moisture, keeping it hydrated and plump. Allotonin in the serum improves skin renewal and calms irritation, helping to regenerate skin cells. Pullulan is added as well to protect the skin against hyaluronic acid decrease and further aid in firming the skin. The anti-wrinkle serum is specifically designed to combat the loss of elasticity while helping to prevent fine lines. It's perfect for clients who want to maintain a firmer, smoother appearance. All right, that's the full breakdown of our ultimate skincare line serums. What's in them, how they work, and what they're best used for. If you check out this chart above, it's a fantastic guide that shows exactly which skin concerns each serum is designed to target. Whether it's dehydrated or sensitive skin, pigmentation issues, acne, or even sagging and aging skin, the chart makes it super easy to match the right serum to your client's needs. What's really amazing about the Ultimate Skincare Collection is their versatility. You can layer and mix them, which means you can customize treatments for every client. By layering, you're not just addressing one issue, you're tackling multiple concerns at the same time, giving the skin everything it needs to look and feel its best. Now, when should you be using these serums? During treatments, you can apply them after pore cleansing, after extractions, or before a mask. You can also add them under your finishing care cream for an extra boost. And here's the best part. You can recommend these serums to your clients for home care, so they can continue to see results between treatments. This personalized approach not only delivers exceptional results, but also builds trust with your clients, giving them every reason to come back for more. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot today. Check the description below for any helpful links. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. And don't forget to follow us at KLAPP Skincare USA for more educational videos on KLAPP products and ways to enhance your skincare game for your clients. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time.